Today we are going to discuss the meaning of balance and symmetry in artwork. Learning about these important art concepts will help you better understand painting, so let's begin. Welcome to Acrylic Arts Academy. We teach the world to paint. Balance means that there's equal subject matter across your field of imagery. If a painting is nicely balanced, the visual weight of the image is spread somewhat evenly across the canvas. This means that the subject matter is either centric or evened out by some other visual aspect. Let's consider this image by Fred Hasselbrock, which was created in 1941. In this example, the image is centric and balanced. There's also equal symmetry, which means that if you divide this image in half, both sides would be identical. If something is asymmetrical, the visual weight is greater on one side, which leaves the image unbalanced. A good example of what we mean by asymmetry is illustrated by this painting by Giovanni Battista Moroni, which is called Titian's Schoolmaster, and it was created in 1575. The solitary figure in this artwork is leaning in his chair on the right side of the frame. Because the space on the left is empty, we can see that this image is asymmetrical in nature. If there were something on the left, the painting would have more balance, but it still wouldn't be symmetrical as both sides still wouldn't mirror one another. There are exceptions to these concepts, and it's your creative decision how you treat their importance. For instance, perhaps you want to create most of your imagery to the left or right side for dramatic effect. You can use this method to direct the eye around your artwork and create a specific narrative as if to say, look at this first. Consider this painting by Martin Johnson Heade, created in 1871. The balance here leads our eyes first towards the pink flower in the foreground, then towards the birds and the trees in the background. Heade uses bright contrast in the foreground to be sure that we look there first. The imagery is balanced in this painting even though the pink flower is large on the left side, the tree's branches and the hummingbirds balance the visual weight. If this video helped you understand balance and symmetry in art, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos like this. Receive your acrylic painting supply list and paintbrush guides to help you get started. Just visit acrylicartsacademy.com/free guides. See you next time.